and welcome to the second edition of the monthly bulletin of Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West Steel Wheel Samachar. I am your host Rotarian Monica Uppal, and today we bring you the highlights of the major activities and achievements of this month. Celebrating our cultural roots and literary heritage, Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West, in collaboration with Hindi Sahityak Sansthan Sahyog, organized Prem Mahotsav, an inter-school one-act play competition based on the timeless stories of Munshi Premchand. The winners were suitably awarded. We are delighted to announce that several senior Rotarians of our club have been included in the district team by District Governor Namrata. They are Rotarian Sujata Sachdeva, PP Rotarian Rajinder Sachdeva, PP Rotarian Neeta Agarwal, PP Rotarian Amresh Sinha and PDG Rotarian Pratim Banerjee. PDG Pratim has also been interested with the roles of End Polio Coordinator, Zone 6 and Promotion Chair, Rotary Institute, New Delhi.
Dear Amresh Sinha, congratulations on being appointed District Rotary Peace Fellowship Subcommittee Chair by District Governor-elect Namrata.
Great companies don't do CSR to look good. They want to do CSR because they want to do and they want to be recognized as the person who engages in many projects of the society like clean water, harvesting, engaging literacy, mother and child and other projects. I am District Governor Namrata, District 3250, Bihar and Jharkhand, and I look for the support of your company.
The Rotary Foundation is the backbone of our service projects. We are proud that RCJW continues to be among the 100% giving clubs under the Every Rotarian Every Year initiative. Since July 2025 alone, our members have contributed over $10,145 to the foundation.
Dollars in last 3 months. Of course, some of it is your contribution, some have been matched by the.
We extend our heartiest congratulations to Rotarian M. Muruganandam for making a one-time contribution of $250,000 towards the Paul Harris Home Renovation Project in Chicago. He becomes the first Rotarian in the world to support this project with such a contribution. To mark their presence at the very peak of the district, Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West celebrated the month of August, which is new membership and new club development month. In a grand ceremony, RCJW proudly sponsored and installed a brand new Rotaract Club, the Rotaract Club of Jamshedpur Sevarat, with 16 enthusiastic new members. We also inducted 5 new members into our own club. They are Raj Rajneesh, Avinash Agarwal, Avijit Bose, Amit Shah and Dr. A. Srivastav. All were present with their spouses to be formally installed by PDG Pratim Banerjee. In the field of health, under the able leadership of Dr. Sujata Mitra, the Rotary Swastik Suraksha Kavach program continued in full swing throughout the month. 2,842 numbers of anemia tests were conducted and 1,885 were found anemic, who were given free medicines.
Hello everyone, myself Rotary spouse Payal Rajan from Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West. हम लोग यहाँ पर एक फ्री एनीमिया हेल्थ चेकअप कैंप कर रहे हैं जो हम मोस्ट ऑफ द स्कूल्स इन जमशेदपुर में हमने कवर किया है. वी हैव डन इन नरबेराम स्कूल जहाँ हमने 207 बच्चों को चेक किया. KPS गमरिया में हमने 264 बच्चों को किया. ऐसे ही हमने मांडू बस स्टैंड में भी किया था जहाँ 100 लोगों को चेक किया.
These camps are conducted with the support of the team from Shrimad Rajchandra Hospital and Research Center at various locations across Jamshedpur and nearby areas. Additionally, Dr. Sunil Bajoria conducted a special workshop on eye refraction testing, training participants on how to conduct these tests for school children.
आप पहले राइट आई बंद करते हैं फिर उसके बाद लेफ्ट आई बंद करते हैं. तो आप बच्चे को बोल सकते हैं कि राइट हैंड से राइट आई बंकेजेस और लेफ्ट हैंड से लेफ्ट आई बंकेजेस।
नमस्कार सर, आज रोटरी क्लब ऑफ जमशेदपुर वेस्ट की तरफ से जो एक आयोजन किया गया था एक वर्कशॉप का जो था रिफ्रैक्शन आईसाइट को लेकर के वो कंडक्ट दिया गया था वो डॉक्टर सुशील भजोरिया के द्वारा। तो इस पे आपका क्या विचार है?
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर मिथिलेश कुमार है। मैं राज्य संपोषित +2 उच्च विद्यालय पटमदा पूर्वी सिविल से आया हूँ। मुझे रोटरी क्लब द्वारा जो आज का सेशन हुआ वो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा।
Rotarian Kamal Gupta, Rotarian Dhruv Agarwal, spouse Dr. Salakha Agarwal and Rotarian Naman and Neha organized PPH and dental checkup camp at Murgaguttu. This month, RCJW participated in Tiranga Antakshari with a remarkable performance. A special act was composed and sung by Rotarian Rajinder Sachdeva, directed by Rotarian Anjani Nidhi and compared by Rotarian Dr. Vanita Pandey.
रोटेरियन अमिताभ बख्शी, आप लोग आज इस प्रोग्राम में क्या परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं?
इस साल भी हम लोगों ने खूब हर्ष और उल्लास से इस प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं।
The event revealed the hidden artistic talent of our members in acting, singing and dancing. Performers included Rotarian B.K. Vadhera, Rotarian Dhruv Agarwal, spouse Salakha Agarwal, Rotarian Anupama Sehgal, Rotarian Achinto Banerjee, Rotarian Rishi Chandrani, Rotarian Gurpreet Ruby Bhatia, Rotarian Amitava Bakshi, Rotarian Alakananda Bakshi, Rotarian Ashok Jha, Rotarian Vinita Jha, Rotarian Sunil Bagrodia and Rotarian Seema Bagrodia. Two child artists stole the show, the grandson Master Avi of Rotarian Vadhera and the daughter of Rotarian Naman and Neha Agarwal, baby Nurvi. The surprise of the evening came when a handsome Sikh partner of Ruby ji was revealed to be Rotarian Preeti Sehgal. The judge's decision was clear.
Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West. Come on, everybody!
RCJW bagged the first prize in both categories, singer Rotarian Rajinder Sachdev and our act. The event was graced by District Governor Namrata as chief guest, who also spoke to our reporter Rotarian Sujata Sachdeva.
सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बताया और इस प्रोग्राम में मुझे शामिल होकर के बहुत अच्छा लगा। सभी यूनाइट को सारे क्लब साथ इकट्ठे आए, कंपटीशन की भावना नहीं थी, पर सब खूब मस्त होकर के बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम किया।
Independence Day was celebrated at both Diksha Center and Murgaguttu School. On this occasion, PDG Pratim spoke to our reporters Rotarian Dr. Swati Singhal and Rotarian Sanjeev Sehgal.
इस अवसर पे इतने लोग इकट्ठा हुए, हमने बहुत अच्छे से इसको सेलिब्रेट किया। आपका क्या व्यू है इसमें?
For the children here, we would be very happy and we will consider it.
It is. Thank you for having me on this program. As a member of this club, have been associated with this Diksha Center since about 2005-06, when Tata Steel gave us this center to do community work for the underprivileged and for the children, for the women. And from then on, this toddler school had been established, and bits and pieces children were brought in from within the neighborhood. And today the attendance stands at about 35, 40, 50 children. So meticulously they are in the preschool state, and once they are in a worthwhile phase, then they are put into various schools according to their capability and selection.
RCJW members President Ashok Jha, Rotarian Ruby Bhatia, Rotarian Dr. Juhi Samarpita, Rotarian Maitri Chakrabarti and our new member Dr. A.A. Srivastav attended Rotary Gurukul. Among the distinguished faculties were PDG Pratim Banerjee, PDG Rajinder Gandotra and DGE Anu Narang. Meanwhile, Rotarian Anupama Sahgal set a touching example by taking motherly care of underprivileged children at Palna Ghar, a crèche for the children of working women at construction sites. We are happy to share that Rotarian Larry Lunsford of Rotary Club of Kansas City Plaza, Missouri, USA has been selected to serve as the Rotary International President for the year 2027-28. On the environment front, Rotarian Dr. Bikrant Tiwari visited the plantation site at Patamda and shared the latest pictures of flourishing saplings. Renowned disability rights activist from Jharkhand, Mr. Ajit Kumar was invited by Rotary to deliver an inspiring motivational speech which deeply impressed our members. Strengthening international friendship, Rotarian Sanjay Kedia and Rotarian Babita Kedia visited the Rotary Club of Lake Charles, USA, where they mutually exchanged club flags. Like July, August also has been a very successful month with 33 projects at the cost of rupees 4,22,783, which directly benefited 3,287 beneficiaries. And that brings us to the close of this month's edition of Steel Wheel Samachar. This is Rotarian Dr. Monica Uppal signing off on behalf of Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West. We thank you for joining us. Namaste.